Don't even think.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're back.
Like, you don't start like that. You gotta feel like impacted, bro.
Like, what up,
Go,
guys?
go.
What up, guys?
There you go.
We're right here, another video.
Yeah.
We got a shipment here from lowglow. Got the boys Trippy Trev, Bagged RS,
Yeah.
and we got Minty SRT on the cameraman. So now we're here. We got something special that came in the mail here.
Jeez. That's one out of 10.
1 out of 10 right here. Those who don't know, we'll put the link in the description. You guys can see all their videos, but you guys are gonna see it firsthand.
Yeah, but that's hard to get though.
Yeah, this is hard to get. I mean, it sells out. They only like release it every like a couple months, and it sells out like fast, like within 30 minutes. You know?
By the way, he is not sponsored.
No, I'm not sponsored at all.
He's only eBay sponsored right now.
For real.
He dropped out of an Amazon deal.
eBay, so we're gonna open it up. We're kind of gonna do like a little unboxing and install in one video. So
You guys heard it from my boy Flacco. Installment today. Ooh. And like always, I just want to let you guys know that we're in the presence of a famous real artist here. In the background, you guys see 1,000K friends a day. You know what I'm saying? Go check out his reels. He's dropping another one, his 5th one of the day. So give it a like, share, and make sure to follow us. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Shoebox.
look at this bad boy.
Damn.
Black box.
A nice box.
Make sure to subscribe down below. Comment your thoughts of this new lowglow lights that's gonna go on this bag that's RT4. For those of you who are new to this channel, welcome, Stance Addicts. If you guys are into the Subaru content, this is the spot to come to. We got the S54 content too. Any message for the subscribers, bro?
Don't do drugs.
This guy is like a real addict, bro. Not a lie. He's sicking me, bro.
Needs rehab now.
He needs rehab, bro. Get it. Ooh.
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 All right, guys. So we got a nice little message here from the guys from lowglow. Patty FRS, I believe, is his Instagram. This is what it says. Thank you so much for supporting what we're doing. I can't wait to see you lighting up the roads with us. Patty,
That's sick.
That's pretty badass. I mean, this type of details seems like
They care.
they care about their customers, you know? So, pretty happy I saw that. It's probably the first time I ever saw this in any packages, you know? Especially handwritten.
And signed by Patty.
And signed.
He's gonna probably hang it on the wall.
Probably. Alright, so here we actually got the wiring in here. This is probably just the underglow in the front.
We got the sticker.
You did?
Oh,
Oh,
Dude, that's so
shit.
fucking sick, dude.
this one's sick.
I'll have that
I
one.
love
Fuck
that
you.
one, dude.
That's
Look at
it.
those
Oh,
FRS Patty's
those
cars.
are good cars.
That's sick.
This is fucking badass.
Dude, the logo looks so sick right here.
They even sent you a phone, bro. This lead strip that comes out of that package.
Smells like race car.
Damn. This right here, what is $300?
This is $350.
Yeah, but it's fucking legit. Oh, we have this guy has $50 ones from Amazon,
What?
and you could barely even see it in the nighttime.
Me? I don't even have that.
So there's arrows here. So when we put them in the front, they have to go towards the back of the car. So that's what towards the back. So it kind of has to
Yeah.
have a
Okay.
flow to it. You know?
Bro, this is fucking nice.
Over here. Yeah, bro.
Don't be shy. I don't think he came prepared to get dirty, bro.
He did it.
Look at him. It's hurting him, bro. Alright, guys, you guys know this is an easy process. Installing your lighting under here, just stick and put
If we
on.
do it here, it's gonna.
It gets a little more complicated once you're gonna, you know, hook it up to the battery and run the wires to the car. But it's supposed to be simple. But since this guy's battery is so tiny and it's right there, right there, and he already has a bunch of cables in it, so I don't know if he's gonna do it. How you guys doing?
I don't know if we should do it here. I'm gonna scrape the piss out of it. That's what
So now what they're doing, guys, they're wiping it down with, what is that?
WD-40.
WD-40 and a hammer.
Oh, you
Some degreaser shit. Trevor's actually smart. I mean, guys, he might look like he doesn't know what he's doing, but I'm surprised sometimes he's an actual fucking smart guy. I mean, his looks doesn't look like it, but other than that, he has a jacked up, like, crooked eye sometimes. But yeah. I mean, other than having a badass, cool Subaru, he doesn't know jack shit half the time. That thing stinks, bro.
My set? Spray my set?
Then you got Flacco with the fryer truck. Do you like beef and bean burritos?
Right. You're doing it right. Yeah. You want to go? You're trying to go in here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, I think the only good thing about being a Kramer guy is that sometimes I don't have to get down and dirty.
Oh. Get over here. I'll start recording. Look at him.
This is the first time this year I see him on the ground.
Doing his hours.
He's doing his hours, apprenticeship hours. I remember your apprentice? This is your second year, huh? Second year apprentice. If you guys don't remember, when we first brought him into this garage, he was a first year apprentice. That was last year.
Was it last
Yeah.
year?
Remember when we did what we did? The air intake, huh?
Yeah.
You guys want to see a dead body? This guy just passed out, bro.
Been ready.
Alright, guys, these guys got the front end done. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, you guys fucked up. Now, guys, time to do the sides, and then move on to the rear, and then connect the whole box to each one.
Stretch it.
There's these guys installing the side ones,
Stretch it on.
side leads.
There you go.
Got Flacco showing a little bit of belly. For those who are into that.
Should I put it? Trevor.
I got the last strip on this trunk. We had to only use one of them because there was no way we're gonna do it in this area here. So we'll take this route. Let's get it. Alright guys, we just fucking wired up to the battery here. It's simple as power and negative. And then to the module, and the module to the last connection of the lights. And it should be ready to go. I think the hardest part is running the wires and trying to find a good way to run the wires. Alright boys, we're finally done after 2 damn hours. So,
It takes longer than we thought.
yeah, actually did take longer than we thought. Running the lines and then actually trying to put the button switch for the whole lights inside the car was the biggest issue. That took a pretty long time to get that done, but we got it done. We're lowering it done. Flacco's about to get ready to turn that shit on because it's time.
It's the problem.
All right, guys, we're ready. Moment of truth. Fucking new guy, bro. Trying to freaking poison us. Doors all closed. I was gonna say that took a while.
I had to start the key.
There you go. Yeah, I didn't have the dash lights on.
Nothing?
Nope. What?
The fucking... The fuse.
You just put it in.
No mames.
Ah!
That's the highest.
Oh, the shower?
And just remember, guys, when you guys install things, make sure you have your fuses and your fucking fuse boxes. Make sure, because then this shit happens.
Oh,
Damn.
dude. Hey, bad news. This one's not turning on.
Which one?
The trunk?
Oh, the back.
Yeah, the back one's turning on. That was badass.
Damn, boy.
The front, you can't really see though.
Well, yeah, because you're a fucking splitter.
Yeah, because you're split.
Turn off the lights. That looks good.
Yeah. That looks clean, dude. Dude, fuck yeah. Come here, look. And when you're driving, it looks like it's fading off, like off to the sides. That looks fucking clean. Like,
Yeah.
off to this side,
It flows.
it flows out.
Huh.
I fucking like that.
Damn, boys, what you guys think?
Dude, that looks fucking clean.
I think the shiny floors is just fucking it up.
Yeah.
You think so?
Well, you can see the LED light under it.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that's fucking sick. Dude, amazing, bro.
Why did the front just come turn on?
That shit looks fucking sick. We got the new lowglow lights in the building. Shout out to Patty for making one of the best lights in the game. Now the homie Flacco has it on his SRT4, and damn, that thing looks freaking badass,
For
bro.
some reason, the back ain't working.
That is sick.
Tell one of the viewers.
Look at that. Too sick, bro. Sheesh. There you go. All right, my boys. Like that, guys. Always bringing you bangers. Sadly, we gotta go. Project is done. Trevor has to go. I gotta leave. It's already gonna be 11 at night.
Yeah.
We thought this was gonna be like at least an hour job, but it turned out to be almost 2 damn hours. But anyways, Flock was having an issue with the backlight.
It was 6 o'clock when
The
we
trunk.
started.
Yeah.
Almost 11, not 5 hours.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like always, guys, we're always trying to bring you guys new videos every week. Please come back, comment down below, hit the like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, especially this famous Realster on Instagram, going 10K strong. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, stay safe, stay active, have a great weekend, and like that, we're out. Peace.